Crypto has been in the news a great deal recently, and it's no big surprise in a significant manner. But the unstable idea of crypto costs becoming involved with the hype is simple. The vast majority generally are centered around the crypto market drifts yet there basically are really various captivating business arrangements in the crypto circle. What's more, one of them especially is loaning computerized money in spite of prevalent thinking. That model is executed in abracadabra money, an extremely baffling venture we'll examine today. How about we get into it? Our continuous SPEL to USD cost update shows the ongoing SPEL token cost is $0. Our latest SPEL token cost estimate demonstrates that its worth will increment by 1.54% and reach $0 April 18, 2023 in an unpretentious way. Our specialized pointers signal about the impartial bullish half-market feeling on SPEL token, while the trepidation and covetousness list is showing a score of 68. Throughout recent days, SPEL token has had 14 30th green days and 6.31% cost unpredictability, as indicated by the fundamentally the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of in every way that really matters, SPEL token generally is $0, and SPEL is buy and by position no. 323 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of SPEL kind of token is $74,096,113.23, with a market cap of $107,405,628,969 truly SPEL. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $0 its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, SPEL has been in a decent vertical pattern, subsequently expanding by 1.73%. SPEL token has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be a very decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of SPEL in a real sense has expanded by 17.25%, adding an epic typical measure of $0 its genuinely current worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now on the off chance that it keeps on developing. What especially is SPEL token? Abracadabra. Money and SPEL made sense of all in all. Priorities straight. What generally is abracadabra? Money, abracadabra. Money, or abracadabra, is an imaginative loaning stage that offers clients a helpful method for getting to cash without selling their resources. The stage is controlled by blockchain innovation and offers straightforward, secure, and easy-to-use loaning and acquiring administrations. Abracadabra permits clients to choose the terms for their credit, including the financing cost, advance length, and guarantee prerequisites. The stage likewise gives a gamble-the-board framework to shield loan specialists from defaulting borrowers. Administration clients can use their computerized resources as insurance to acquire MIM, or Sorcery Web Cash, the task stablecoin fixed to USD. The MIM stablecoin can be traded for USD or some other cryptographic money. MIM's ongoing coursing supply is over 2.78 billion tokens with a noteworthy market capitalization of $2.77 billion, which is genuinely critical. Fixed to USD. MIM's ongoing typical cost esteem is around 99 cents. Abracadabra's other local symbolic sort of is SPEL, which explicitly depends on the Ethereum blockchain and fills in as an administration for the most part token. An administration token is a sort of digital money token that gives holders casting a ballot rights on the venture's course. Improvement choices, for instance, could be placed to the vote among fundamentally token holders in an unobtrusive manner. The more tokens a truly individual or substance holds, the sort of more weight their vote has. Along these lines, administration tokens mean to decentralize power away from a little gathering of chiefs or engineers and give every individual who claims tokens a say in how the undertaking advances. Essentially, administration token holders generally are partners. The Abracadabra stage likewise sent off SPEL, an essentially minor token utilized for SPEL givers' income circulation. When was the SPEL token sent off? The principal sort of notice of SPEL returns to 2021. Who is behind the SPEL token? The tasks group generally is mysterious, and no one truly realizes who is behind SPEL. Where is the SPEL token utilized? SPEL is utilized in the Abracadabra money biological system as an administration digital money and for expenses procured from the convention. Is the SPEL token a stable coin? No, it's not. What is SPEL's circling supply? Right now, SPEL has a flowing stockpile of more than 83 billion tokens, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Is SPEL a purchase? Many individuals are contemplating whether this present time is the opportunity to put resources into the SPEL kind of token. The symbolics cost has been especially steady of late. Yet when the crypto market basically was genuinely flourishing as of late, the SPEL token basically saw a huge cost ascend in a significant manner. Being a piece of an extremely dim, puzzling venture, the SPEL token conveys some gamble yet might actually be a productive speculation. None of the substance on Changely, including spell cost expectations, truly is venture counsel, nor is it a substitution of exhortation from a confirmed monetary organizer. Prior to choosing to purchase generally spell tokens, we prescribe you to do your kind of own exploration. As per the specialized examination of spell token costs expected in 2022, the truly least expensive spell token will be $0. The genuinely greatest level that the spell cost can reach is $0, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0. After the examination of the costs of spell token in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of especially spell kind of symbolic will be around $0. The very greatest expected spell cost might be around $0, which is very critical. By and large, the exchanging cost could really be $0 2023. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of spell token, in 2024, spell is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $0, separately without a doubt. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0. The specialists in the field of digital currency have broke down the costs of spell token and their variances during the earlier years. It sort of is accepted that in 2025, the exceptionally least spell cost could drop to $0, while its greatest can reach $0. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $0. In view of the examination of the expenses of spell really token by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least spell costs are normal in 2026, 1 cent and $0. By and large, it will be exchanged at $0, or so they thought. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the vacillations of spell token. In light of their expectations, the assessed normal in every way that really matters, spell cost will be around 1 cent in a very huge manner. It could drop to at least 1 cent. However, it actually could reach 1 cent all through 2027. Consistently, digital money specialists plan estimates at the cost of basically spell token. It is assessed that spell will truly be exchanged somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 2 cents in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around 1 cent during the year, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cryptographic money investigators are prepared to in a real sense report their assessments of the spell token's cost. The year 2029 will not set in stone by the most extreme spell cost of 3 cents. In any case, its rate could drop to around 2 cents. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost generally is 2 cents, following quite a while of examination of the spell token cost. Crypto specialists sort of are prepared to give their spell cost assessment to 2030 in a kind of enormous manner. It will be exchanged for somewhere around 3 cents, with the genuinely conceivable most extreme tops at 4 cents. Overall, you can anticipate that the spell cost should be around 4 cents in 2030. Cryptographic money investigators are somewhat prepared to report their assessments of the spell token's value, which is very huge. The year 2031 will not entirely set in stone by the greatest spell cost of 6 cents. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around 5 cents, which is very huge. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is 6 cents, which is genuinely critical.